Alright, it is 12:47 in the afternoon, and we're snowing, but as you can see, it's not blizzard status yet. Just regular snowfall. Can't even really see it. There you go, you can see it now. Regular snowfall. Some of this that's on the ground was already there, and it's just regular gradual snow. This winds are picking up a little bit, and it will be blizzard status soon. We will make more videos as the day progresses. Peace. It's now 1:47, and we're picking up. We are picking up. A lot more snow falling, and the wind is starting to pick up a little bit. As you'll see it spin around. There might be a gust of wind, and then it spins around like a little blizzard. It will be picking up more. This is nothing compared to what we should be getting. Winter Wonderland. Oh yeah. This is gonna be fucking crazy. Oh shit, there's a gust of wind. Oh shit. Look at that shit. That was crazy. Alright, we'll be back in about an hour.
What?
Alright, it's now 3:12. 3:12. Lily, what's happening out there? What's happening out there, Lily? Huh? Lily? Lily? What's happening out there? Huh? Huh? What's happening, girl? What's happening out there? What's happening out there? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna brush you after the storm, I promise. Okay? We're starting to go into blizzard status. I just shoveled a little bit. I'll show you what I shoveled. Right there. You can see I shoveled the walkway. Just a little tiny bit of it. But now it's starting to fill up already. It's starting to fill up already again. There's a ton of snow already on the ground. We're probably at about a foot. Like, look at that. About a foot. Anyway, until another hour. It is. What? It is coming down. It is coming down. Until next time. Alright, it's now 4:15. And we have snow. The barbecue is covered. And we have about a good few inches on the floor. I probably have to go shovel again. Alright, we're getting there. We are getting there. Filling back up quite quickly. Oh boy. Walking in a winter wonderland. Somebody likes to play in the snow. Someone just go pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee though? Yeah? You like the snow, Lil? Lily? Lily? Come on. Come on. Right. We got a little downtime. There's no snow falling right now. And I just shoveled all of this. All of this I just shoveled. And I'm fucking out of breath like a fat motherfucker. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, shit. Alright, it's 8:10 at night. The blizzard is going to start picking back up soon. The winds are starting to pick up. And we have a nice amount of snow. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that wind blowing. Look at that. You can see the snow spinning. Look at all this snow. Look at this. This is nice. Nice snow. Cold snow. Nice. Nice snow. We're gonna make a snowman. No, not tonight. We're gonna make a snowman, you know, after the snow stops.
I'm picking what I want first.
Alright, and we will be in touch. Alright. It's 11:38 and the blizzard is starting in about 20 minutes. Can't even see the steps. Almost. Wind blowing like crazy. Let's go look out the front real quick. There we go, there's a pile right by the door here. I shoveled so it doesn't look too bad, but it's bad. Look at this. Just blowing all over the place. She's a coming. The worst of it is from midnight all through the night and all day tomorrow. So this might look like, and you know, quite a few inches, maybe 4 or 5 inches so far. They're calling for between 20 and 30. Oh yeah. Alright, till tomorrow. Alright.
Yeah.
It's Tuesday afternoon at 12:40. And we have snow. We have snow. Look at that. Look at this. You can't even see the steps. There's steps here. Look at Lily. Yeah. Oh, she took a poop. Look how deep it is. Holy shit. Look at the chair. Look at the chair. You can't even see the fucking legs of the chair. Come on, Lil. Oh my god, there's so much snow. There's so much snow. Look at the car. Oh, shit. Alright. Just shoveled a little bit. Here's to put it in perspective. Look how deep it is. Look at that. Look at that wall. Fucking crazy.